Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change difficulty settings in Stalker Gamma. To do this, first we'll need to click on escape and move to our settings. Then select the gameplay and there's gameplay difficulty. Right here you'll be able to adjust your player protection, bullet hit power factor, and then enemy dispersion base. This will change, higher values will make enemies less accurate at higher distances, etc. This is enemy dispersion factor, higher values will increase enemy weapons recoil at higher distances. Stamina loss factor, which will change on how fast you drain your stamina when running. Maximal carry weight that you can adjust. There's radioactive air during daytime, radiation clicks with a Geiger counter only, or anomaly detector sound. When enabled, the player will hear warning beeps upon approaching anomalies. And you can just enable and adjust the settings however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.